This guide will show you how to register for the FMCSA Drug and Alcohol Clearinghouse. To register as a driver holding a commercial learner's permit, you will need to go to the FMCSA Clearinghouse website and click Register. From the login.gov sign-in screen, click Create an Account. Enter your email address and submit. This is the email that the Clearinghouse will use to send you notifications about your account and will also be used to identify you. Check your email and click Confirm Email Address. Create a password. It must be at least 12 characters. If it's not strong enough, you will not be able to continue and need to enter a new password. Go ahead and select an option to secure your account and click Continue. Do not select backup codes as an option. Enter your security code and click Submit. This code will be provided using the method you selected. You have now created your account. Click Continue to return to the Clearinghouse website and complete your registration. Select Driver as your role, even if you are a student enrolled in our trucking school. Now enter your contact information and choose your preferred method of contact. Click Next. Enter your commercial learner's permit information, click Verify. Check the box to confirm that the information you entered is true and that you agree to the terms and conditions. Your Clearinghouse registration is now complete.